Are you suffering from chronic neck instability, headaches, chronic neck pain, and numbness and tingling sensation in your upper limbs, and searching for answers everywhere? Then you are suffering from something called as cervical instability. Hi, I'm Dr. Tejaswini from Elevate Pain Clinic. Today, let me give you a brief outlook on what is cervical instability. Cervical instability is an abnormal range of motion and the ligament laxity that is present within the cervical spine. The first one being the motor vehicular accident, that when the patient suffers a whiplash associated injuries, rheumatoid arthritis, when the patient has previously undergone a surgical procedure, or it can be a connective tissue disorder or a degenerative causes like degenerative disc disease and the facet joint arthritis. So how do we diagnose it? Mainly by clinical examination and neurological examination along with the images that includes the X-rays and the MRIs. Treatment options being, first one mainly the conservative treatment that includes the cervical bracing and physical therapy, medications that includes NSAIDs and the muscle relaxants, and the third and the most important treatment which we are focusing in Elevate is prolotherapy. Prolotherapy is a non-surgical mode of treatment which is nothing but a combination of a local anesthetic and dextrose that when injected into the injured ligament or the tendon is gonna initiate the body's own healing mechanism by causing an inflamed reaction. That mainly includes by stimulating the body's own immune mechanism by attracting the growth factors, and also it stabilizes the neck by strengthening its ligament by production of the collagen. The benefits being, the first thing is it is widely accepted and it has got relatively safer and has got a lesser side effects, and this when combined with other treatments and when we are doing it at multiple sessions, it mainly treats the root cause rather than just the symptoms. Want to know more about it? Then please do pay us a visit at Elevate. Thank you.